Have you ever thought about setting up your own indoor aquaponics system? Imagine having a mini ecosystem right in your living room, growing your own herbs and ornamental plants, and maybe even some fish. Today we're diving into the world of aquaponics, and by the end of our journey, you'll have all the knowledge you need to start your own indoor aquaponics system. First things first, what is aquaponics? Simply put, it's a sustainable method of raising both fish and vegetables. It's a symbiotic environment where the fish help the plants grow, and the plants clean the water for the fish. It's nature's own little recycling system. Now on to the fun part. Setting up your own indoor aquaponics system. Step 1, gather your materials. You'll need a fish tank, a grow bed for the plants, and a water pump to move the water between the two. You'll also need some piping, a grow medium like clay pebbles or coir, fish, and of course, your choice of plants. Step 2, assemble your system. Place the fish tank on the bottom with the grow bed on top. Connect them with the piping and install the water pump in the fish tank. The pump will move the water up into the grow bed, where it will filter through the grow medium and back down into the tank. Step 3, add your fish and plants. The fish will produce waste, which is a great natural fertilizer for the plants. The plants in turn will filter the water as they absorb the nutrients, keeping it clean for the fish. Step 4, maintain your system. Regularly check the pH and temperature of the water, feed your fish, and prune your plants as needed. With some patience and care, you'll have a thriving mini ecosystem in no time. To summarize, setting up an indoor aquaponics system involves gathering your materials, assembling the system, adding the fish and plants, and maintaining the system. It's a fun and rewarding project that can provide you with fresh produce and a fascinating conversation piece. So why not give indoor aquaponics a try? With a little bit of time and effort, you can create a self-sustaining garden right in your own home. Not only will you get the satisfaction of growing your own food, you'll also be helping the environment by reducing waste and conserving water. It's a win-win situation all around. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the exciting world of indoor aquaponics. We hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. So what are you waiting for? Dive in and start your aquaponics adventure today.